Okay, so this is part 1 of the turbo sleeper build. So let's get ready with the weight reduction.
Did you hit your head?
I hit my shoulder.
All right. Step 1, remove this thing.
Dude, there's like...
There's a, what is that, a can of bug spray?
Bug spray?
Dude, this is gonna be easy to with the fuel pump. No, I think these are bolted in, yeah. But oh my god, dude, one of the seat, what the is this? Is that the spare tire holder?
I have no idea.
Dude, that's so gross. What is that? What is this?
I don't even want to...
Ew, what the Dude, I feel like Mighty Car Mods.
Dude, there's maggots in it.
Ew! Ew!
Fucking maggots in it.
Disgusting! Dude, get this. Oh! Dude, I can't believe I drove this all the way home from New Hampshire.
Dude, that's like a larvae thing, dude. Ew.
Ew, are these egg sacs?
I think they're egg sacs, dude. That's disgusting. Let me get a glove or something.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking uke, dude. Oh, man. I've never opened the trunk and I think it's stuck, too. Yeah. Where'd you put the fucking key?
In my pocket. No, it's not.
Dude, the trunk.
It's on.
The trunk is stuck.
It's on the fucking shorts right there.
Oh, this thing is just too much. You gotta break out the big boy already?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh my god, look at that.
What?
What's that white stuff?
It's like a mold.
Chuck that whole piece. Since you have the glove on. I'll be amazed if this actually has a spare tire. Dude, it has a jack.
It has a spare tire. I see it.
Dude, I'm impressed. I love, oh yeah, that was, what the fuck, dude? There's just a big bolt chilling right there. No, dude, I'm gonna use this as a drift tire on the fucking Miata. The fuck that, dude? This is mine. Look, I have a collection of donuts over here too. Check it. There's 2. 3. I got 3 donuts. I just need 1 more now. And then I'll have 2 sets of donuts. What? I have 3 donuts. I need 1 more. We need to find 1 more donut, dude. Just yank it out.
I gotta put
this whole fucking piece, dude.
I'm putting the glove on my opposite.
Here, finish ripping this piece.
Dude, how do I keep getting scratched? I have like 8 scratches on my arm.
That I have 2. I have a glove, dude.
Fucking find it.
It's in the toolbox. Well, that side is way harder than this side was. Here, for these big pieces, put them in a pile, and then we'll get a truck. Here, put the pile over there. Put it over there. Make a big pile so my mom can still park.
Keep all the tools.
Dude, the trunk's looking pretty good so far.
Okay. Back seat. Think I could just kick it out from there?
No, it's on. Let's unbolt it so we can keep it. It looks like, I don't know, a 12 or 13.
So we're tearing the sleeper turbo build apart. Got a pile, all building up. What are you doing, Chris?
I'm ripping that fucking shitty ass headlamp around, dude. Fuck them.
Look at this carpet. It's absolutely disgusting.
Disgusting, dude.
Absolutely disgusting. What are you doing, Ryan? Taking the front seat out?
Taking the seats out so we can take the carpet out.
We're gonna keep the back seats in.
We're gonna keep the only thing in here when we're done is gonna be the seats. That's it.
All the seats are in,
like
because
this whole dash is coming apart and everything.
This weighs like literally 2 pounds. So it's coming along.
All right, so upon further inspection, let's go over what we see. All right, so first of all, there's 100 fucking pens in here. Who the hell knows why? We got a bunch of change. Like there's at least a few dollars in here in change, and then we have a Dunkin' Donuts hash brown right here. And a Cheez-It. Some McDonald's fries. A tennis ball. What else? There was something else weird
That's
in
a pretty
here.
clean tennis ball, though.
Oh, fucking Reese's peanut butter cup wrappers. One of these weird gummy candies that you always see at gas stations. And
French fry.
there's a lot of fries over here.
Oh, there's another one right
Some
there.
makeup. There's a makeup thingy right here. Yup. Bunch of Starburst wrappers. Let's see what this receipt was for. I don't know. They spent $162 on something. But yeah, other than that, it's a fucking disgusting car. But who gives a shit? Look, there's the ECU. That's a fucking easy ECU to get to. All right, let's start ripping even more shit out.
Ugh.
This is so disgusting.
Did
Really
you
is.
cut yourself a
Huh?
couple times?
I know, right there, and I cut myself right there, too.
The fucking headliner.
On my face.
All right, grab that side from the passenger. Rip. 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 Two balls to the wall.
Take the
Go.
mirrors out, dude.
Yeah, the mirrors have to come out.
It's just filled.
I want every cent that's in this car.
Grillo.
What?
He's putting all the garbage out because he took all the change out of it, so that's the payment.
Got a penny. That's
Yeah.
his dues.
Yeah. Everything
Oh,
is
how are we
out.
gonna get like all this like sand and stuff?
Sand stays. Anything big, take out.
Yeah, because I don't think we're gonna get the sand.
Is it on video, Muller? Oh, you're flinging garbage everywhere.
We're getting the carpet out now, then we can just smack him after.
Oh shit, the carpet.
Oh man, that carpet looks lovely.
Oh, it smells like cat piss when we took it up.
Ew, what am I stepping on?
I don't like that.
Hacked up
You can have to
Fender
rip it on
job.
this side, you got the color.
door panel. You like it?
No. No, get the cow. Jesus Christ.
That's what I was doing.
The worst part is I think this car might just be a little bit better than the Civic.
It's faster than the Civic.
Now it definitely is. This thing's gonna be a race car.
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude? Now I got cat piss on me.
Sorry. I don't want to clean that. Grill has to clean that.
What?
All this, I'll give you the gloves to clean all this out.
Alright.
Ouch.
As long as I get the glove, I'm all good.
Why, what the fuck is this thing?
That's the fucking air ducts for the foot warmers.
Grillo, pick this shit up, dude.
Alright, well give me the gloves.
Here.
Let's go to work. I ain't doing my hands. This is a...
Is he cleaning the mess?
Yeah. Clean that shit up.
I gotta cut the shifter
Hold on, I get my money
You're gonna
first.
cut it off?
No, I got, you know that park reverse neutral thing?
Yeah.
That won't come out, bro.
You're just
Hold
gonna
on,
cut it?
I get all my money first.
Alright, watch your noggin real quick.
Alright.
See this piece? It won't come out. So I'm just gonna cut 2 chunks out of it.
That smells great. I can smell the cancer. Love it.
Piece of garbage.
I'd say cut the steering wheel in half to add some more, less weight to it. Is this gonna be another fake manual?
If that looks like a manual, then yeah.
You want a marble?
Fuck off. I like the rust on this side. You gotta make it show more.
You're making stop.
I want to make the rust show.
No, you're getting paint flakes in my driveway. Let that shit fly off when we're doing like 200 down the highway.
You think this is gonna go 200?
Hell no.
I'll tell you what, if it goes 200 and there's a cop, there's no way you're stopping.
Weight reduction. Want it?
Pile. I'm gonna try and kick the already dented panel.
Oh. Oh. Cam, you wanna go? Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, we can kick it out too.
Let me get one more kick. Looks beautiful.
That looks a lot better.
Does it look more sleeper?
Yes, that
Does
looks a
it-
lot
guys,
better.
Guys,
Oh,
what do you
shit.
think? Does this add to the sleeper effect? I love it.
Any more dents?
Now you're gonna get.
front left fender.
Now you're gonna get smoked by a fucking.
Whoa!
Yes, dude, the door still works.
Don't kick it.
Grillo, give it a kick.
Give it one kick, Grillo.
Alright, to give it one real kick.
No!
Alright,
Right here, right here.
Alright,
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah, kick it. What?
Alright, just that. Dude. So now we're gonna get.
Like, down to like here.
You're gonna get rolled on by a rusty, dented, no interior piece of shit. Dude, let's try and pull this. No, you know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, that ain't coming out, dude.
No, it's really
Dude,
not.
that would honestly, guys. If you ever get a
so much
chance to
fun.
do that,
Splunger life.
that's so
Or
fun.
splunger. Plunger.
That's honestly the funnest. Kicking dents in a car. That's so fun.
You know, it's really sad that it's actually that flimsy where you can actually kick the dent into it with just regular kicks. With absolutely no special shoes or anything required.
All right, Grillo, finish this shit.
Well, you can't kick it.
Yeah, you both missed like
You
5
like this.
times. Dude, what can we shave out of the engine
I
bay?
got most of the big stuff, you're just not gonna get the little stuff like the
What can
fan.
come out? Let's do an AC power steering delete, obviously. Because
This.
who needs that shit? Yeah, rip this out. Just pull it. Ready? Get those clips. I don't want my dad fucking running those over. No,
Windshield wiper delete, bro.
no, fuck that. What else is in here? This all has to come out eventually. Because I gotta get to that manifold. Which has got shit all in it. I gotta figure out how this works too. And fix that. Alright, dude.
She's looking mint. Oh my god. This thing might need a zip tie soon.
One.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah, dude, she's gonna need a zip tie soon.
Rudnik, that's all you, buddy. You're the master of this. Yeah, I should have brought that.
Alright, so I think this is pretty gutted. There's nothing left other than the little bit of dash right there. And we decided to keep the back seats in because they weigh nothing. And we're going to put the front seats in now.
What are you picking your nose?
No, I got allergies.
Yeah, bullshit. He was digging for gold.
No.
Digging for
Hold
more
on, let's
money.
try. Let's try and work the door. Shut the door. Man, dude. See our handle here. Since there's nothing to pull this, you just pull the whole rod, and that works. That's mint, dude.
I like it, dude. Start it up, see how bad the
Can't.
exhaust down in here.
There's no key in here.
In my pocket. No, I don't want to start it anyway. It'll stink up my driveway of oil.
Does it have a leak?
Probably. Wouldn't doubt it.
Does it have a leak, he says.
It's a free car with 205,000 miles on it.
I don't know. You could get lucky.
I mean, that is true, but what are the odds of Haggard Garage getting lucky on anything?
I don't know. I think a free car is pretty lucky. I mean,
Yeah, it is.
who just gives you a car? What?
Alright, let me see that.
Look, I can make my thumb into like a pin. So look at that.
Ew! That's disgusting! Alright, so we're out taking it for a test rip. Just gonna get a benchmark of it with weight reduction before we do some boosting.
It's faster than the Civic.
It is faster than the Civic, and now we're taking it off-road. Oh! Brake check. Oh, the brakes weren't good. Rip the E, rip the E, rip the E. Oh, shit! Do a huge 180 down here.
Not too fast, you want to go with the fucking time.
I got this.
Rip the E hard.
Hard?
Hard.
Handle time.
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck, dude! Oh my god, this is such a shit turning circle. Oh, fuck! Rip the E hard coming out of here. Oh my god! Dude, we're roosting. Rip it, rip it! Oh, watch out for the big ass rock! You're nuts, dude!
Dude, I had some practice with my Civics, man. The front-wheel drive off-road one.
What the fuck? Oh.
Keep in mind, I'm mad at the whole time every time I drive this thing.
Lock them up, lock them up.
Oh,
They worn out. We glazed the brakes. Shit. No more romping, because now they're gonna be ass.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
Look, you see this? That's from my Miata, dude. Right there.
The two peels.
Yeah.
Look at this. No interior life. Let's get some fucking cooling in here. Oh yeah.
That's pretty fun.
Look at that. That's hot air, so I'm gonna attempt to open the window.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, dude, this thing's mint right now.
So part one done. The Protege is completely stripped, except for the back seats and the front seats.
Yeah, we'll give them a tour. One more last tour. So, no door panels, no carpet, no headliner, no trim whatsoever.
Nothing.
I tried gutting as much of the dash that I could. I want to keep the glove box for like the reg and insurance and shit, but the back, nothing up there.
The trunk is gone.
The trunk is all out. The
Still
seat.
got the oh shit handles though.
Yeah, we did leave the oh shit handles in.
We need them.
And I'll show you the trunk.
It's Mad VTEC. Oh, we did leave that.
Oh,
That's what-
that flopped right here. Chuck that. Trunk completely stripped. No, there's a garbage right there. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you guys stick around to see what we're gonna do to this piece.